Every humanoid begins not with motion, but with structure, a skeleton waiting for purpose.
Before intelligence comes form, the raw anatomy of engineered life.
Precision is not a final step, but it's the very first principle.
Metal is carved into purpose and upper, 1 micron at a time.
Every limb begins as a perfect piece of engineered metal.
The spine is more than structure. It is the central highway of motion. A robot's pulse is born in silicon furnities. Every signal, every thought.
To perceive the world, a robot must first learn to see.
Motion is engineered, not imagined. Piece by piece, the humanoid form begins to emerge.
A robot cannot think without the threads of logic woven into every circuit. Energy must flow flawlessly. Even a millisecond of failure can silence a machine.
Limbs define capability, strength, reach, and balance.
Balance is not just structure. It is the negotiation between gravity and engineering.
At last, a complete frame. But a body alone does not define life.
Intelligence is not installed, it is integrated.
The mind must align with the body, or nothing will function.
A machine breathes through energy. Without it, everything is silent. The moment of ignition, the first heartbeat of a synthetic being.
Form, power, and intelligence finally united in motion.
The raw body must withstand its first true surge of power.
Strength is engineered, tension is measured.
To stand, a robot must master gravity.
Motion is nothing without harmony between joints.
Heat is the enemy, and cooling is the shield.
Perception begins in silence, Hallen. The quiet moment sensors open their eyes.
Every joint must know its limits and its strength.
Hands define interaction. Pressure must be perfect.
Walking begins long before the first step touches the ground.
Before a robot walks, it must learn to stabilize, breathe, and respond.
Thought must travel flawlessly, every signal mapped with absolute clarity.
A robot's smoothness is born in the harmony of its frequencies.
Heat must never gather. Every degree must be controlled.
Strength must be predictable, Tasha. Load must be mastered.
Reaction is survival. Speed must be absolute. True precision lives in the smallest movements. Tension across limbs must synchronize breathe. One error, and balance collapses.
A robot must endure.
even under sudden force. All systems converge in movement. The first coordinated stride begins here.
The machine has become more than metal. It has crossed the threshold of motion.
A body is only intelligent when it adapts under motion.
Learning movement is pattern. Storing it is evolution. Speed is nothing without precision. Reaction defines survival. Heat and motion must coexist. Endurance is earned in extremes. A strong joint is silent. Failure is loud. True motion demands mastery over every terrain. Perception sharpens awareness. Awareness guides motion. Reflex alone is not enough. Motion must flow. Coordination defines capability. Pressure reveals truth. Motion is no longer simulation. It is real. Precision isn't built. It's reinforced through repetition. Vision must be flawless. Every photon interpreted with accuracy. A smooth motion is not mechanical. It is harmonic. Perception becomes truth only when senses merge into one reality.
A stable mind endures chaos, no matter how much data flows through it.
Latency is the enemy of coordination. Removing it is essential.
Even the smallest vibration can disrupt perfection. Torque ripple must vanish.
Walking is not motion. It is calculation, adjustment, and balance. A robot learns through feedback. Perfection is the closing of the loop. Precision is not a milestone, yet it is a foundation. Before perfection is certified, integrity must be absolute. A true machine must stand firm when angles become impossible. A sealed core ensures survival across any terrain.
Communication must be flawless. Even a whisper of distortion is unacceptable.
A robot must move as the world demands. Train him, not as the lab allows. Even the smallest pressure point defines structural integrity. Silence is precision. Noise reveals the truth. A machine must stop instantly. Hesitation is danger. Touch defines interaction. Sensitivity must be human, yet reliable. A perfected machine must now prepare for purpose wounded and for deployment.
A perfected machine deserves an immaculate surface. For longevity, every joint must be protected from the world.
Structure becomes identity.
Every panel must move as flawlessly as the machine beneath it. Perfection is not only functional, It is visual. Protection marks the boundary between creation and the world. Everything must move as one. No resistance, no hesitation. Behavior defines purpose. Verification defines reliability.
Listening is the first step toward understanding.
Acknowledge command sequence.
Perfection is now certified. A machine ready for the world.
A perfected machine takes its first step into purpose.
A world of uncertainty awaits Yo. Adaptation is its first challenge.
Intelligence must meet the real world. Antonio, one challenge at a time.
Recognition defines interaction. Identity is shaped by what it perceives.
Strength means nothing without control. To assist humanity, a machine must first understand it. To exist in the world, a machine must feel the world. Decision-making is no longer programmed, it is performed.
A machine's purpose is proven in the tasks it performs.
The machine is ready, prepared for worlds waiting beyond the factory walls.
Purpose means nothing without safety. Its protocols must be absolute.
Efficiency defines endurance. Endurance defines capability.
A robot must go further than the blueprint ever imagined.
Reflex becomes intelligence when guided by thought.
The world is unpredictable, and mobility must adapt to every environment.
Strength must be trustworthy. Precision must remain unbroken.
A final trial, where simulation borders on reality.
Before they leave, their unity must be perfect.
Even perfection must travel deep. Preparation ensures survival.
The journey begins with rapid. Beyond the factory, destiny awaits.